Hello everyone, welcome to Triva Spot. Is your business present on social media? If not, you have missing out on connecting with your customer. In today's world, social media is the most powerful tool to grow up your business. But the question is, do you have the time and expertise to manage your social media account by yourself? Don't worry, we bring you social media management services. Our services include creating unique and engaging posts and graphics tailored to your business, responding to customer inquiries and building effective engagement, running ad campaigns that bring more customer and profile to your business. Benefits of working with us: save your valuable time, enhance your brand visibility, and the most importantly, increase your business revenue. So don't wait, contact us today and take your business to a new height through social media. Your growth is our mission.